Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about your hot tools and how hot is too hot to keep these things. Now I hear it all the time. People are worried about their hair getting damaged from heat. They don't want to use heat on their hair and they're worried that using too much heat is going to damage it, which is true. Using too much heat and having your tools too hot can definitely damage your hair. So today we're going to talk about all the little details about your hot tools. Now, there are a million different hot tools out on the market. There's different blow dryers, flat irons, curling irons. There's even those weird things that suck your hair into it now and curl it for you, which I'm not sure I recommend. There's 100 things out there and it can be very overwhelming to find something that's right for your hair. Now, there are so many different things being made and not all of them are made by professionals or for professionals. And it's almost a marketing ploy that there's a new thing coming out every week and it seems to be getting hotter and hotter. I see it all the time that clients will come in and they bought the best new flat iron that's supposed to be this wonderful, great hot tool, but it's heating up to 450 or 500 degrees and that's just insane. You do not need anything that hot, but that is how they get you. They will come out with these brand new flat irons or curling irons that get super hot because they've tricked us to think that we need hot to get our hair to look a certain way. And that is absolutely not true. That's a myth. You do not need a hotter tool to get your hair to look a certain way. Now, with that said, how hot should you be keeping your tools? I personally use a Hot Tools flat iron when I'm at home. I have a different one for the salon, but this is my home flat iron, and I do not turn this up over 350 degrees tops. Most days, I only put this to about 320 degrees. And that is when I'm curling with it. That's when I'm straightening with it. I do not do any hotter than that. You do not need anything more than 350 degrees max for pretty much any hair. My flat iron that I am using at the salon with all different types of hair and all different types of clients does not turn hotter than 350 degrees. I never adjust that dial hotter than that. Now, you might have a curling iron that has a little dial like this one and it just has numbers and doesn't tell you exactly how hot. If you have a product like this that only has numbers, or even I've seen it where it's just like 1 through 5 little notches, you need to be doing your research to make sure that you know what degrees those numbers mean. Now I know that this one gets super duper hot and so I never have it on that max because it will burn my hair, and I've seen it happen on so many different people, and I know that you've seen it too all over YouTube and different things like that, where people are frying their hair off because they don't know how hot these suckers are getting and they're not doing what is required to take care of their hair. So that leads me to the next point, is make sure you are protecting your hair. Put a heat protectant on, be using oils. Even before you blow dry, you should be using a heat protectant to protect your hair from heat. I recommend the Lonza Healing Oil. It's great for all different types of hair. It acts as a heat protectant and helps to moisturize and protect your hair as well. But there's other things out there as well as thermal defense sprays and different things like that that give you extra protection if you're one that needs it. So make sure that you are using a heat protectant anytime you are putting heat on your hair. As always, if you have any questions or you'd like to learn more, you can always reach out to me and I would love to answer any of your questions. And if you're needing a different hot tools or a heat protectant or anything like that, contact me and I will hook you up with the absolute best products and best tools out there. But thank you for watching, and until next time.